Let's be real. GLP-1 medications like Ozempic and Wegovy are everywhere. They're not just for diabetes anymore. They're the go-to for weight loss, body transformation, and even TikTok blow-ups. But here's the big question no one's talking about. Are we trading weight struggles for body dysmorphia? Stick around because this might be the most important GLP-1 conversation you haven't heard yet. First, let's define it. Body dysmorphia, or BDD, is when you obsess over how you look, especially things others don't even notice. It's not just, I want to lose 10 pounds. It's, I'll never be enough unless I fix this one thing. And here's the kicker. Even after people lose weight with the GLP-1 medication, the insecurity doesn't always go away. Sometimes it gets louder. Social media doesn't help. Every scroll shows someone thinner, fitter, or filtered way beyond reality. When you're on a medication that rapidly changes your body, your brain can have a hard time keeping up. GLP-1s do work. People lose serious weight, sometimes 15, 20, 50, 100 pounds or plus. But here's what happens next. You look different fast. Clothes fit. People notice. Compliments roll in. But instead of confidence, some people feel panic. My face looks sunken. My arms are too skinny. Now I need filler. Now I need surgery. Your brain starts chasing a new goalpost. You fix one flaw, but now 5 others show up. This is a trap. You change your body, but you haven't healed your mindset. This hits hardest with younger people, especially women and LGBT plus folks. We've grown up with body obsessed culture. If you've ever compared your body to influencers, hated your reflection in your thinnest, thought, once I'm skinny, I'll be happy, you may be more vulnerable to dysmorphia after weight loss. GLP-1s can be life-changing, but also mentally challenging if your self-worth was already tied to a parent. Okay, so what now? Let's talk about tools because you can protect your mental health while taking a GLP-1 medication. Therapy, especially cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, it helps. It helps you challenge those negative body thoughts, how you feel, not just your weight. Start journaling your energy levels, your confidence, your mood, strength, not just the number on the scale. Say it out loud. Talk to friends, support groups, or even your doctor if you feel your body image is getting worse. Follow body neutral or body positive creators. Clean your feet. You don't need to see those thin spots. You don't need that stuff. Set goals beyond looks. How do you want to feel? Energized, strong, happy your clothes fit? Chase that. GLP-1 medications can help people reclaim their health, confidence, and future. But if you're not working on what's going on in your head or your nobody, no body change will ever feel. So if you're on a GLP-1 or thinking about starting, make sure you're also healing the relationship you have with your body, not just with food, because you deserve more than skinny. You deserve peace. Have you experienced any body image changes on a GLP-1? Drop your story below. You're not alone. And don't forget to hit that and subscribe and that notification bell. It really does help. So you don't miss anything more on taking GLP-1 medication.